Thank you, Stephanie. Well, not all people injured in accidents are victims. Some of them are predators getting paid to take a hit. Insurance fraud investigators say organized crime is propelling this money trade nationwide, including right here in Texas. The night team's April Molina takes a look at staged accidents in tonight's Defenders Consumer Alert.
The organized crime rings that are involved in automobile losses involving the medical side of the house are perpetrating what we call staged accidents.
Special agent with the National Insurance Crime Bureau, Michael Gallagher, has seen this type of fraud played out many different ways. One of the most common, the swoop and squat.
And what they do is that one behind will come around and pull in front of the one that's in front, slam on their brakes just for a second, and then take off. The person that's directly in front of you that's part of that organization slams on their brakes and holds them so that you hit them.
They don't just plan how, they also plan who they will target. Mainly mothers with multiple kids in the car, also older drivers.
The reason for this is there's an intimidation factor. They can control the scene after it's happened with an elderly person, and they can also do that with a young mother because she's going to be more concerned about her children than anything else.
Commercial and high-end vehicles are also common prey because they generally have higher insurance caps. Conversely, the criminal's car is generally on its last leg, referred to as a battle wagon.
The people that are in that car, they usually load it. You'll have a driver, a passenger, maybe even a third person up front, and you definitely put, as many people as you can put in the back. All of them immediately file medical injury claims.
Gallagher says what's even more common, filing a claim for an accident that never even happened.
They can even do what's called a paper case, where an accident never occurred. You've got vehicles that have sustained body damage, but not in the instance for the claim that's being made.
The overwhelming majority of questionable claims comes from Houston, a city that filed more of those during the last 3 years than the next 9 largest cities in the state combined.
San Antonio ranks 3rd in the state for number of questionable claims per city. Maybe no more or less is to be expected since San Antonio is the 3rd largest city in the state. For the Defenders, April Molina, KSAT 12.